Cheater AI app catch cheater. Busted cheater know the truth. So this is the app. Obviously, this is just someone's app. Is using AI, ultimate AI coach, personal detective, deception buster, doubt buster, and anxiety buster. Our revolutionary AI-powered app leveraging state-of-the-art GPT technology analyzes your partner's chats and messages, identifying suspicious behavior, red flags, and signs of infidelity. Cheater AI is not just another dating, it's a trustworthy AI coach. So here's just, and then the reviews is that the app is scam, stop the hype scam. Upload screenshots, discover the red flags, daily advice for a stronger relationship. Figure out the truth, advice, and then here this is just, and that's kind of, upload and check. uh, so the idea is that you just upload your chats and this app will use kind of like AI to find something suspicious. So I don't know how legit is that, but there you have it.